Now, children, we will read the question. Welcome to your maths class. Okay, children. Good morning. Morning, everyone. Now, today we'll continue exercise 2.2. Okay, children. So, we had finished question number 3. Today, we will solve question number 4. Okay, children. Now, look at the question number 4. In an election, 27,95,946 votes were found valid. 2,305 votes were found invalid and 305% did not vote. So, how many voters were registered in all? So, see, what is the question asking you to do? Now, if you read the question carefully, you will know that in a place, now look here. Suppose this is an election chart. Okay. We'll just fill it out. Okay. Suppose this is a city. Okay. Let's give an example. This is a city where people have gone to vote. Okay. So after voting, suppose this circle represents voting. Okay. जितना सारा मतलब जितने लोग थे वहाँ पे जिन्होंने रजिस्टर किया है वोटिंग के लिए, तो वहाँ पर what happened is 27,95,946 votes were found valid, and this much vote was found valid. Okay. These votes were valid. Okay. Suppose these were the votes, valid votes. Okay. Now what happened, children? 2,305 votes were invalid. Now these votes were not calculated. Okay. And what happened? 305% did not vote. Now, out of this, 305 people did not vote for the election. So, how many voters were registered? Now, see. What is the question asking you? Suppose in this city, there were so many people. You had saw a circle of purple color. उतने सारे लोग थे. ठीक है? So, this red one. Okay? This red is the part where the people have given their votes. Okay? These are all the valid votes. Okay? And these were termed as invalid. Okay? So, these votes were not counted. ये जो वोट है बच्चों, ये जो है वोट, ये काउंट नहीं किया गया. Okay? These were 2,305 and 305. That means this percentage of people did not vote. So how will you find how many persons were registered? So what will you do? You will add the valid votes, invalid votes, and the people who did not vote. You will add all this and then you will get how many people have registered. Okay? So children, how will you solve this? We will first write valid votes. Okay? Valid votes. How much it was? Then you will write invalid votes and did not vote. Then you will add up and then you will get the answer. Okay, children? So, now children, what will you do? Now you will start solving the question. So, how many votes were found valid? So, what will you write? Just leave one line. Then you will write valid votes. Okay. Now, what were the valid votes? Valid votes were 2795946. Okay, so these were the valid votes. Then children, what it was? Invalid votes. Okay, so invalid votes, how many votes were invalid? Again, now see, what will you do children? You will put the numbers below the same place values. Okay, so 2 belongs to which place value? The 1000 place value. So I am writing below 5 because 5 also has 1000 value. Then we have 300, then 0 tens, then 5. Okay, am I clear? Then you have did not vote. So again you will put then there is how much? How many people did not vote? It is 305. Okay, so 305. Then again what will you do? You will write voters, number of voters, total number of voters. Okay, now how much is the total number of voters? How will you do children? You will just add it. Okay, now you will add this and you will get the total number of voters. Okay, so now how will you add this? So 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11, and 11 plus 5 is 16. Okay, so you will write here 6, then 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5, then 0, 0 has no value, so 5, then you have 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, again 5, I'll write it here because I do not have space there, again 5, then again we'll carry 1 here, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, wait, I'll just write this number so that it is very much clear to you. See children, what will you do? You will first write the number 2795946. Then you have 2305 and 305. Now you have to add this. Okay, each number you will write below the number. Now 6 plus 5, 10, 10, 11. See, this 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So I'll write 16 and 1 carry. Here it is 5, it will give you 5. Then again, nothing to carry, 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. You will write here 1 and you will carry 1, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So you will write here 8. Am I correct? Then again, no nothing to carry, then 9, 7 and 2. Okay, so this is your number. So the total number of voters you will write here. Look children, you will write here. The total number of voters is, you will add here, you will write the answer here, and then you will write here also. The total number of voters is 27,98,556. Okay, so this is the total number of voters. Okay children, so I hope this is clear to you and you can write this. Now children, what will we do? We will solve question number 5. Now, in 2017, hand pumps were dug in drought area. the government dug 3,25,712, 1,08,000, 1,80,025, and again they had dug 97,509 hand pumps, respectively in 3 different states. How many total hand pumps were dug in this state? Now children, look here. This is an hand pump, okay? Hand pump gives you water, okay? So ये जो earth होता है, ज़मीन के अंदर जो पानी होता है, hand pump helps to get the water और फिर ये hand pump से पानी निकलता है, okay? So now look here, what is the question here? In 2017, hand pumps were dug in drought area. Drought area means जहाँ पर सूखा पड़ गया, जहाँ पानी नहीं मिला, वहाँ बहुत ही धूप होती है. There is no water. So what happened is, government ने क्या किया 2017 में, they had dug this many number of hand pumps in 3 different states, okay? In one state they have dug 3,25,712 hand pumps. In another state they had dug 1,80,025 hand pumps. Then they had dug 97,509 hand pumps, okay? So how many total hand pumps were dug? Okay, so what will you do, children? Now first, hand pump. Wait, how will you write? You will again write the exercise. Then you will write hand pump. I do not have space here. So first state, how much? 32 lakhs. No, it is 3,25,750. And in second state it is 1,80,025. Then you have 97,509. And then you will add it, okay? So these are the first state hand pumps. You will write hand pumps in first state, second state and third state, okay? So here you will write state. हर जगह आप state लिखेंगे, okay? So hand pump in first state, hand pump in second state, hand pump in third state. Then you will start adding it up, okay children? Now 5 plus 5 is 10. Look here. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Yes or no? So you will write 19. Wait, I think we have... Okay. Write it again. So you will write hand pump in first state. First state में कितना है? So you will write 3, 2, 5, 7, 1, 2. Okay. Then in hand pump in second state is 1,80,025. Then we have hand pump in third state. We again have 97,509. Okay. Now you will add this. Okay. 5 plus 2 is 7. Look here children. 5 plus 2. 7. 7 plus 9 gives you 16. So we'll write here 6 and we'll carry 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. You will get 4. Nothing to carry. We'll leave. 7 plus 5 is 12. We'll write 2 and we'll carry. Again 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. We'll write and we'll carry 1. Okay. 2 plus 8 is 10. Then 9 plus 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. So you will write 0 here. You will carry 2 here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, so this is your answer. 6,03,246. So how many hand pumps were dug in these states? 6,03,246. So you will write in your notebook. Okay. Now children, you will write this. So how many hand pumps were dug in this street? There were 6,03,246. Okay children. So children, now what will you write? You will write here that how many total hand pumps were dug in total. So total number of hand pumps, you will write the answer 6,03,246. Okay children. Now children, we will solve the question number 6. Okay. Now we'll read the question first. An examination board conducted 4 examinations in a year. So what happened here? One examination board had conducted how many exams? 4 exams. Okay. The fees received for these examinations were 7,85,812, 99,871. Then we had 82,090, and the fourth exam collected 15,90,803 respectively. Find the total number of fees received by the board in that year. Okay. So how will you solve? There were how many exams? 4. Okay. फिर what were ये जो numbers हैं आपको ये क्या है? Fees. Okay. These are fees received. Okay. And then you have to add all those 4 exams fees received. Okay. So what will you write? Fees received in first exam, you will write the number. Then second exam, you will write the number. Okay. First exam, you will write. Then what will you do? You will write second exam. Okay. Second exam. Then again you will write. Similarly, you will write the third also. Fees received in third exam. After that, you will write fees received in fourth exam. Everything you will write one below the other, and then you will total it. Okay. सारे numbers one below the other आप लिखेंगे. So let us see. I'll write it again. So see, what is the first number? Fees received in first examination. So you have to write this. So we will write it. Okay. Now this is the number 78,000. It is 7,85,812. This is the number. Then it was 99,871. Then we have 15,90,803. So you'll start with the last digit, so that सारे numbers एक के नीचे एक आए. It is very important children that your number come below one after another. Okay. This is your number. You will add it. Okay. Now children, let us solve. 2 plus 1 plus 3 will give you 6. Nothing to carry? Yes. Then we have 1, 7. Okay, I think we've missed 1. Okay. We have missed 1. There were 4 examinations, no? Yes. So again we will write it. 7,85,812. Then we have 1, 7, 8, 9, 9. Then we have 0, 9. The third exam. See children, you should not miss like this. Okay. You should be very careful while writing the numbers. If you miss one number, you will get the whole answer wrong. Okay, children, so you should be very careful while writing the numbers. You should ensure that you are writing each and every number. Okay, so there were 4 examinations. We got 4 numbers. Okay, now 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 is nothing but 6. Then we'll see 1 plus 9 is 10. Yes, 10 plus 7 is 17. So I have written here 7. I have carried 1. Okay, now 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 8 24 plus 1 25. So I'll write here 5 and I'll carry 1. Okay, correct, no? 8 8 16, then 24, then 1 25. We will carry 2. Okay, because it is 25, we will carry 2. Then we have 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So we'll write here 8 and we'll carry 1. Okay, children. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. And 26 plus 9 is 35. Am I right? Yes. So we'll write here 5 and we'll carry here 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Again we will write 5 and we'll carry here 1 and we get 2. So this is your answer. So how many rupees did the examination board received? It had received 25 lakhs 58,000 576. Okay, children? Yes or no? Yes, children. It has received 25 lakhs 58,576. So you will write down in your notebooks. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Now children, we will start with subtraction. Okay? So now read. Subtraction. We have learnt the method of subtracting 4 or 5-digit numbers. Yes, in your previous class you had learned the method of subtracting. In same way, we subtract the numbers having 6 and 7 digits. So, the modus operandi or the way you have subtracted in your previous class, you will subtract the same way in this class also. Okay, so there is nothing change, but yahi change hai. The only change you will find here is in the number of digits. Earlier you used to subtract with 4 and 5 digit. Now you will subtract with 5 and 6 digit. Okay, children? So let us see. So subtract 53 lakhs 17,903 from 68 lakhs 23,812 and check your answer. So what you have to do, children, you have to subtract this number from this number and then you have to check your answer. Okay, check means you have to check whether you have found the answer correct or no. Okay, now here look at this solution. First number we have written here. See the place value. You will write it first, then you have written the number and what you have to subtract. Okay, so here we have written the number. You can see here that 3 cannot be subtracted from 2. Okay, because 2 is the smallest number. So what will you do, children? We will borrow. So you cannot borrow from here. You cannot borrow from here because it is a smaller number. Here also no. but here you can borrow because this is the greatest number. Okay, so what will you do? You will write subtract 2, you will write 1 और 1 carry करते करते यहाँ से 3, then 2, then 18, then 17, you will just carry out. तो यहाँ पे 2 becomes 12. Okay, so 12 minus 3 gives you 9. Then this is 0, 0, 0 is as it is. Then 18 minus 9, again wait. What will you do, children? How will you subtract it? You can easily subtract 0 minus 0. So you will just deduct 1. Then ये 0 हुआ और ये 12 हो गया. Then 12 minus 3, 9. Then 0 minus 0 will give you 0. Then 8 you cannot divide by. You cannot subtract 9 from 8. Why? Because 9 is the greatest number. So again you will borrow. 3 you cannot borrow. You will borrow it from 2. So again the borrowing process starts. And then you will start subtracting. 18 minus 9 will give you 9. Then again here you have 12. 12 minus 7 will give you 5. Then 1 minus 1 will give you 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. How will you check? जो आंसर आपको आया है you will add that to the number you have subtracted. तो जो ऊपर आपने नंबर लिखा है और जो आपको आंसर आया है उसको ऐड करोगे तो अगर आपको अपना क्वेश्चन मिल जाएगा. ओके, यू गेट द माइनंड. ओके, when you add your answer to your subtrahend and you get your minand, that means your answer is correct. Okay, now see, look here. 3 plus 9, 12, 1 carry, again 1. 9 plus 9, 18, 1 carry. 7 plus 5, 12, plus 3, 13. Then 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, then 8 and 6. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, now again, if in the question you find that you have to find the difference between the number, that means you have to subtract the number. Okay, जब आपको difference भी बोला गया है तो you will subtract the number. So write the number sentence, writing the digits of the greater number on the top and then subtracting as usual we get. So you will write the greater number on top and then of the smaller number, then you will start subtracting. Okay, 8 minus 6 will give you 2, but you cannot subtract 1 from 0 because 1 is the greater number. You will start borrowing. You cannot borrow from 1 as 9 is greater number. Then you cannot borrow from 2 also. You cannot borrow from 8 also. You cannot borrow from 5 also. So you will borrow from 3. So you will start the borrowing process and then जब यहाँ पर आओगे 10 minus 1 gives you 9. Then again 10 minus 9 gives you 1. Okay, 10 minus 1 gives you 9. 10 minus 9 gives you 1. Then 11 minus 7 gives you 4. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. 14 minus 7 gives you 7. And 2 you will write as it is. So this is your answer. Okay, children. The same way you have learned in your class, in your previous class, you will follow the same method. Just the number of digits has been increased. Okay, children. Now, look here, children. And then what will you write here? You will write here the number sentence. Okay, this and this. Okay, so just look here at exercise 2.3. I hope you can try. Okay, so you will try subtracting numbers and then in next class we will study in detail. Okay, about the numbers and subtracting the numbers. Okay, children. So what will you do? You will try solving in your notebook. So children, this is all for today. Have a good day and take care of yourselves. Thank you, children.